Hello friends, in this video I will show how to get proper internet speed on Windows 11. So you can try this method. Go and start, then settings. Now here click on network and internet. Now here expand your internet connection. Now here click on advanced network settings. Now click here. Now here click on more adapter options. Then here click on configure advanced. In advanced, select here preferred band and here you can select any value like 5 gigahertz or zero point 0.4 gigahertz. So you can select here maximum size or as your internet connection speed. Then click on OK. Now exit and restart your PC or laptop. So this is the way you can increase and you can get proper internet speed in laptop. Thanks for watching.